Hello, welcome to EF class number 2. This is Professor Smith again, and I want to explain to you briefly what you'll be doing for homework. This will just be a very short video, and it will describe the two different homework assignments that you have to do that will be assigned during this class time. The first homework assignment has to do with some grammar review and some grammar practice. One of the things we'll do later on when you come to school and we use our textbook is you'll get a lot of practice talking to one another and asking questions. So before we do that, we want to do some grammar review that will give you practice with asking questions. So you'll notice that I have, or I will attach a worksheet for you, and the worksheet is titled Asking Questions, Grammar Exercises 1, 5, 6, 8, and 10. If you look at the top of each the grammar exercise sheet, you'll see there are some directions given at the beginning, and then there are exercises. And again, the exercises will give you practice either asking or answering questions, or maybe both. So what you should do is make sure that you write out the answers on the exercise sheet. Probably you could just type them in rather than writing them. And then what you'll want to do is, before the deadline, upload those, send them to me so you can get credit for them. If you turn in your grammar worksheets, the exercises, before the deadline and you've done all of them, don't leave any blank. If you've at least tried to do write down something for every blank, you fill it all in, then you get 2 points, 2 out of 2. If you turn in your worksheets and there are some blanks, but you've done more than half of them, you've done more than 50%, then I'll give you 1 out of 2 for that homework exercise. If you don't turn in your worksheet, or you turn it in and you've done less than half of the exercises, then you don't get any credit. You get a 0 out of 2. So that is your grammar homework, and we will do about 5 different sets of worksheets, so you'll get quite a lot of practice with this. And again, hopefully this will help you later on in your speaking when you have to talk to one another and ask questions. The second thing we'll do for homework today is related to video. What I'm going to do is give you a YouTube link for a video, and this is a video series called Family Album USA. It tells the story of an American family, and each episode you'll meet the family members and see what kind of things they do and activities they do. Each video is about 22 minutes long, and if you go and click on the YouTube web link, then you can watch the video. And you can watch the video as many times as you want. And I will also attach 2 homework sheets related to the video. The first homework sheet would just be some questions. Some questions about the video that you saw. You should write down or type down the answers to the questions to that worksheet. The second worksheet or homework exercise related to the video is a listening close. Each video has 3 short episodes, 4 or 5 minutes long each, or something like that. For this first video you'll watch, I've selected episode 3, and I give you a script. But in the script you'll find there are 10 blanks, and these are missing words. What you should do is listen to the video carefully and see if you can fill in or write in the missing words. Can you hear the missing word and write it down? So again, with regard to episode 1 and doing the exercise, you can watch it as many times as you want because you will have the link. So these are the 2 things we'll do for homework for class number 2. Again, one is the practice writing out questions for grammar worksheets, The second one is watching a video, um, and a video about a family, and then doing 2 worksheets to see how well you comprehend or understand the video you see. I think the video is also good because it allows you to hear and see how native speakers use language in everyday situations. So again, we will do, I don't know how many times we will use this video, but I will give you a number of them, and we'll start out with Family Album USA, Act Number 1. That's our first video. I hope this is fine for you, and good luck.